Let's set this girl. Let's set her before she starts the crease. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reika. For those who are new, hope you are doing well. Can you believe it, guys? It's officially 2019. I've definitely missed you guys. I haven't been on YouTube in about 3 weeks, and I'm so excited to be back. I'm putting it out there in the universe. 2019 is going to be my year. It's going to be your year. Yes, you right there watching me. It's going to be our year. I don't want to keep rambling on and on. I'm going to jump right into the meat of the matter. Fenty Beauty just dropped. If you don't know by now, Fenty Beauty just dropped their newest additions to the Fenty family, which is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer, as well as their Pro Filt'r Translucent Setting Powder. I don't know where you guys were when Rihanna took to Instagram to introduce these items, but I remember exactly where I was, and the minute she announced it, I knew I had to get my hands on them, and I did, and I'm so excited. That's what this video is pretty much going to be about. It's going to be our first impressions of the new bits over at Fenty Beauty. So this is what the concealer looks like. It's pretty much in line with the packaging and theme from her other complexion products, which is the graffiti spray paint kind of vibe that's going on. Here's what it looks like out of the packaging, and it matches the foundation. It's like a miniature size of the foundation bottle. I picked up the shade 385. So this concealer retails for $26, and it's available in 50 shades. Yes guys, 50 shades. And according to the website, it is a creamy, long-wear, crease-proof liquid concealer that delivers a light as air, medium to full coverage. Whether you're hiding bags, blemishes, hangovers, bad decisions, your secret's safe with the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer. Quite a mouthful. So let's hope it lives up to all of those claims. To complement the concealer, I picked up the translucent powder as well. I got the shade Banana. Very pretty packaging. This will look so nice on a vanity if you're into that type of thing. Very beautiful, the packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and get these products on my face. Do use the primer and foundation religiously, so I do expect the end result to be quite positive, considering that I'm using everything Fenty, so I shouldn't have any issues. I hope I don't have any issues. Fingers crossed I don't have any issues. So let me go in, get my base done, and we'll come back to play with the concealer and the powder. Alright, so I have my base done. I have the foundation and primer done. I did my eyebrows, so now let's jump into the concealer. So one of the things a few people said in their reviews was that this dries down pretty fast. So I'm just gonna do one eye at a time and blend. That's a very pretty color. And I blend my concealer out with a brush. Gonna go ahead and blend the other eye. So what I can say so far, it's a very flattering color. I do like this color for a concealer. Definitely on the thicker side. Right now I'm using ColourPop, and you can definitely tell a difference. The ColourPop is a little not as thick. This one is definitely on the thicker side. Very creamy for sure. It blends very nicely as well. I don't feel like I'm not fighting with the product to get it in. It's creasing so far now. Gonna go ahead and add my contour. So I've concealed my usual area, concealed and contoured my usual areas. Let's set this girl. Let's set her before she starts to crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad guy, the Fenty powder, and I'll get the shade Banana. It was honestly between Banana and Honey. In the PR and promo pictures with Rihanna, she had on Honey and she looked like absolutely gorgeous, and I was really contemplating maybe I should get Honey, but looking at it in person in store, it didn't look like something that would look good on me under the eye, so I decided to give Banana a try. It mirrors the Laura Mercier the most, so safest bet was to go with this one. The translucent powder, I believe this retails for $32 and you get 0.98 ounces, and just to compare that to the Laura Mercier, you get roughly an ounce. Laura Mercier is around $38, so I think the pricing is very good, you know, price wise. Pretty much the deciding factor is, can she perform? So I'm going to go ahead and get to applying this. I have a very peculiar way of applying powder. I don't like to bake. I am more of like pressing the product in, and that just melted right into the skin. That just melted right into the skin, like ever so nicely. That was madly satisfying just now. You can instantly see, you know, like the areas where the product is going. You can instantly see how the brightening effect of it, which was pretty much what I bought it for. So the powder is pretty much on, and this is what my face is basically looking like. I don't have any more product to show, so I'll go ahead and I'll finish up my face off camera, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts and opinion on the product. I'm back, and this is pretty much my Fenty face. So in terms of this launch in particular, I like to think of it as something I wasn't particularly expecting, but I'm not mad that I got it. I'm very impressed with the new additions to the Fenty line. When it comes to the formula and the shade ranges, they did do a very good job. That of course has come to be the standard for Fenty Beauty, so I wasn't expecting anything less. I really enjoy both products, first impressions, but for me, I would have to give the edge to the powder. I am absolutely blown away by the powder. I love the finish of it. I love how, you know, it melts into my skin. It's not cakey, it's not sitting over top or anything like that, and it's such a flattering color for me. In terms of the concealer, I would love to see how this wears before I give it you know, 2 thumbs up, but so far I do like how it looks. I do like the look of it. I love the color. I love how it blends out. It's not a hard product to work with at all. I didn't observe any initial creasing or patchiness. Those are red flags for me when I am trying out concealers. So far it's passed those tests, but I'd love to see how this wears for a full day. So I'll play with this one a little bit more before I give a final opinion on it. Big congrats on this launch for Fenty Beauty. They did a great job, and with that being said, that's the end of New Makeup Mondays, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. If you grabbed any of these items from Fenty today, I'd love to hear what you think about them. Please do sound off down below. If this is your first time here and you made it to the end of this video, might as well hit that subscribe button. You have absolutely nothing to lose. It's free, guys. It's free. So hit that subscribe button. I think it's here, or is it over here? It's somewhere down here, but please hit that button. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Deuces.